Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to link your PAN card with your Aadhaar card. The Indian government has made it mandatory for individuals to link their PAN and Aadhaar cards in order to file their income tax returns. This process is simple and can be done online or offline. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of linking your PAN card with your Aadhaar card. So, let's get started. Welcome to Telugu Tech Details. This channel is dedicated to providing you with the latest news, updates, and reviews about the world of technology, all in the Telugu language. From smartphones to laptops, we cover it all. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and join us on this exciting journey of exploration and discovery. You can link your PAN with Aadhaar by following process. First step. Open the Income Tax e-filing portal. Second step. Register on it if not already done. Your PAN permanent account number will be your user ID. Third step. Log in by entering the user ID, password and date of birth. Fourth step. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to link your PAN with Aadhaar. If not, go to Profile Settings on menu bar and click on Link Aadhaar. Fifth step. Details such as name, date of birth, and gender will already be mentioned as per the PAN details. Sixth step. Verify the PAN details on screen with the ones mentioned on your Aadhaar. PLS, note that if there is a mismatch, you need to get the same corrected in either of the documents. Seventh step. If the details match, enter your Aadhaar number and click on the Link Now button. Eighth step. A pop-up message will inform you that your Aadhaar has been successfully linked to your PAN. Thank you for watching Telugu Tech Details. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining videos on the latest technology updates and gadgets. Stay tuned for more exciting content and let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comments section below. Thank you.